students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Now let's see exercise 2.3 of question number 1. Okay, so what is the question number 1 here? We have to solve the following given equation and we have to verify the results. Okay, so let's see question number 1, that is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Okay, so here the x terms will be in this side, in one side, that is here it is plus sign. So I am getting here, after transposing, what will be the sign? Minus. Okay, 3x minus 2x equal to 18. So 3x minus 2x is x is equal to 18. So this is the answer. We have to check your results. Okay, we have to check the results also. So we have to substitute this value to the question. That is, here it is left hand side, that is LHS, and this is the right hand side. So we have to check that both are equal or not. So first you can write here check results. So I am getting x equal to 18, so I have to put in here. Okay, LHS is 3x, 3 into 18. 18 3 is a 54. Okay, and RHS is 2x plus 18. So what I am getting? We have to substitute this value of x. 2 into 18 plus 18. 2 18s are 36 plus 18. 8 plus 6 is 14. 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 is 54. So I am getting both results equal. So this is verified. LHS is equal to RHS. So this answer is right. Okay students, now let's see question number 2. What is question number 2 here? Here we have some equations here. Okay, you can see that here in the both side we have the variable. Okay, so we have to transfer this variable to this side and this constant to this side. Okay, so I am getting here 5t, this is plus sign, so I am getting here minus 3t equal to minus 5. This is minus, so after transpose plus 3. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2t equal to 5 minus 3 is 2, and here I am getting minus 2. Here it is multiplication with the variable. So after transpose, what I am getting? I have to divide with this. Okay, so I am cancelling here. T equal to minus 1. So I am getting this as an answer, but this is the question that we have to check the result also. So we have to check results. How you will check results? Just you have to substitute this value to the question. LHS, what is my LHS? 5t minus 3. So I have to substitute 5 into minus 1 minus 3. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 3, that is minus 8. I am getting LHS. Okay, now RHS. RHS is 3t minus 5. So 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5 same, I am getting minus 8. So LHS is equal to RHS, means it is verified that this answer is correct, that is t equal to minus 1 for this equation. Here you can see that this is the LHS one and this is RHS one we had solved. So I am getting minus 8 here. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS. So here this equation, this value of t equal to minus 1 is correct for this equation. So okay students, now let's see question number 3. Okay, here also in the both sides we have the variable, that is x. Okay, so we have to solve for the x. Okay. So I am getting 5x here. Here it is plus sign. So I will get here minus sign. Equal to 5. It is plus 9. So after transpose it will be minus 9. Okay. So 5 minus 3 is 2x. Here 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Here how it comes? 9 minus 5 is 4 and it is the larger number. So we have to see the sign of larger number. Okay. So I am getting here it is multiplication with 2. So we have to divide after transpose. There's 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what I will get? X equal to minus 2. So we have to check. We have to verify these results. Okay. So here LHS is equal to 5x plus 9. 5 into minus 2 plus 9 equal to minus 10 plus 9, that is minus 1. 10 minus 9 is 1 and we have to put the sign of the larger number, right? RHS is 5 plus 3x. Okay, 5 plus 3x. 5 plus x is minus 2 here. So we have to substitute 3 into minus 2. Okay. So I am getting here 5, 3 2s are 6, minus 6. Here plus minus is minus. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 6 minus 5 is 1 and we have to put sign of larger number. So I am getting both equal. LHS equal to RHS. Okay, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, this number is correct. Now students, let's see next question, that is question number 4. Here which variable it is? Z. Okay. So variable means change, it may vary. Okay. So here we have to solve for Z. So we have to transpose this to here. And 6 minus 3. We have to transpose this 3 to here. So 4 minus 2 is 2z equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. So what I am getting here? Z is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. This is multiplication. So we have to divide after transposing. Okay. So we have to check result also here. So what is LHS? 4z plus 3, right? So 4 multiplied by z is 3 by 2 plus 3. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6 plus 3, that is 9. I am getting. We have to solve RHS, that is 6 plus 2z, right? So what is the value of z I am getting? 3 by 2. So here you can write 3 by 2. 2 is cancelled. 6 plus 3 I am getting 9. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Means the value of z is correct for this equation. Okay students, now let's see question number 5th. Okay, here variable is x. So here it is minus sign, so we have to write plus here. Here 14, here this is minus sign, so 14 plus 1 is 15. So 2x plus x is 3x equal to 15. So I am getting x equal to 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15. So what I am getting is x equal to 5. Okay. Now we have to check results. Here LHS is equal to 2x minus 1. So we have to substitute this value to here for checking result. 2 into 5 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, I am getting 9. RHS, what is RHS here? 14 minus x. 14 minus 5 is also 9. So LHS equal to RHS I am getting. So this value is correct for this equation. That is the answer. Okay students, now let's see question number 6. Here it is some equation. Okay, so we have to solve this bracket one first. 8x plus 4 is equal to, we have to open this bracket. So it is multiplication with 3. So 3x minus 3 plus 7. So 8x, here it is minus 3x equal to 7 minus 3 is 4 and this is minus 4. So here I am getting 5x equal to 0. X equal to 0 by 5, or you can write 0. Any value, okay, any value divided by 0 is 0. Here it is LHS. So 8 into 8x plus 4. So we have to substitute this number. 8 into 0 is 0. Any number which is multiplied with 0 is 0. So I am getting here 0 plus 4. 4. Okay. RHS is 3x plus 4. Okay. After solving the equation, I write this RHS 3x plus 4. So 3 into 0 plus 4. So I am getting here also 4. That is LHS equal to RHS. So you can see this. After solving this one, I write directly 3x plus 4. Okay. So this is the result for this equation. Okay students, let's see question number 7. Here we have to solve first this equation, that is 4 by 5. Firstly, I can write like this. This 5 I can transfer to here. 5x equal to 4 into x plus 10. I can write like this. Okay. So then we have to solve this part. That is 4x plus 4 tens are 40. One by one you have to multiply this. Okay. 5x minus 4x equal to 40. What I am getting here, x equal to 40. So this is your answer, but we have to check this result. This is correct or not. LHS is x equal to 40. RHS is 4 by 5 x plus 10. Okay. So I am getting here 4 by 5. X is 40. I have to substitute the value of x. 40 plus 10 is 50. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 tens are 50. So 4 tens are 40. So I am getting LHS equal to RHS equal to 40. Okay, that is the value. Now let's see question number 8. Okay, so here in the both side which variable it is? X. Okay, but it is in fraction. So we have to take LCM first. 2x plus 3, right? Here 15, 7x, 15 3s are 45. Okay. So 2x plus 3 equal to, I can write this 3 to here. That is 3 by 15, 7x plus 45. Like this I can write. So 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. So 5 I can transfer to here. Cross multiply. 7x plus 45. So we have to multiply 5 with this bracket 1. 5 2s are 10x, 5 3s are 15, 7x plus 45. So this x will be in this side. X equal to 30. Okay, so what I am getting here, x equal to 30 by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are equal to x equal to 10 I am getting. Okay, so this is the answer, x equal to 10. So this is your answer. Okay, x equal to 10. So let's check this result. We have to substitute first LHS equal to 2x by 3 plus 1, that is 2 into 10, 3 is LCM here, plus 3. Okay, so 20 plus 3 is 23, divide by 3 I am getting. Now RHS is 7 into 10 plus 45 upon 15, 70 plus 45 divided by 15. What I am getting here, 115 divided by 15. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 115, 5 3s are 15. So I am getting same answer, 23 by 3, 23 by 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. So your value is correct for this equation, that is x equal to 10. Okay students, now let's see question number 9. Okay, here you can see the variable, which variable it is? Y. So here you can write 2y plus y, this y is transferred to here, transfer, that is 26 by 3, this 5 by 3 will be transferred to this side. So 2y plus y is 3y equal to 3 is LCM, 26 minus 5 equal to 21 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21. So I am getting 3y equal to 7, y is equal to 7 by 3. What I am getting? Y is equal to 7 by 3. So we have to substitute this y to here for checking the results. That is LHS equal to 2y plus 5 by 3, 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So 7 2s are 14 plus 5 upon 3. That is 19 by 3 I am getting LHS. Now RHS is equal to, what is RHS here? 26 by 3 minus y. It's 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So same I am getting 19 by 3. 26 minus 7 is 19. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this value is correct for this equation. So student, let's see question number 10, that is the last question of this exercise 2.3. Okay, so here you can see this is the variable, that is m. Okay, so we have to solve for m. You can write this as, here I can write 8 by 5 is equal to 5m minus 3m. Okay, I am transposing this variable to here and this to here. You can write like this, or you can transfer this one as a here also. Okay, same one. So 5 minus 3 is 2m is equal to 8 by 5. So this m, with m it is, this 2 is multiply with m, so we have to divide with this one, that is 8 by 5 into 2. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8. So I am getting here 4 by 5. Value of m is 4 by 5, right? So we have to check results here. What is LHS? Here 3m, 3 into 4 by 5, that is 12 by 5. RHS is 5m minus 8 by 5. So 5 into 12 by 5 minus 8 by 5. 5 cancel here. Ten minus 8 is 2. 60 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Here I am getting 52 divided by 5. You can see the LHS part here. What is the m? M is 4 by 5. So I have to substitute this 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5, right? 5 is cancelled. 4 5s are 20 minus 8. 9 10 2 12 by 5. So LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 12 by 5 I am getting. So this result is okay students. I hope you understand till here. Then in the next video I will come with exercise 2.4. Till then, bye, take care, and please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel.